In this video, I will show you how to use Custom CSS to style your website. First, click on Custom CSS. If you are a developer, you are free to write your own styles. You can inspect the HTML and start designing right away. This is Autocomplete Editor. It gives you syntax help. It's easy to adjust the font size. You can make it bigger or smaller. To save the settings, click Apply Changes. We have predefined some element selectors to make your work easier. Feel free to use them. Let's modify section titles. As observed, all section titles have been selected. This checkbox highlights the elements you have chosen, and you can check or uncheck it as needed. As always, please copy the code and paste it here. Now, let's increase the font size. Now we will customize parts. Here we will modify the background color. The background color has been successfully updated. Let us proceed to save these changes. Feel free to customize anything you want. Please click the Home button and then select Preview to review the modifications we have implemented. Additionally, you have the option to enable or disable the custom CSS.